Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to convert MB to KB. First, verify the file size in MB using properties or LSLH so you know the starting point. Next, choose the unit standard you'll use, 1024 KB per MB for binary or 1000 KB per MB for decimal, because precision matters when reporting sizes. Once done, duplicate the file and work on the copy. That prevents accidental loss, while you test conversion methods and calculations before you alter the original. Now perform the math and apply changes. Multiply the MB value by 1024 for binary KB or by 1000 for decimal KB so you get the exact number. Use a calculator, spreadsheet, or run bc/python on the command line for precise results if you need to script it. To actually change the file size, reduce resolution, lower quality, compress with gzip/zip, or trim content, export or save as a new file with the targeted KB size, and recheck the resulting properties to confirm the conversion worked. Finish by verifying the final file size in KB via properties or LSL and compare it to your calculated target so you know the change succeeded. If the file is still too large, repeat the process. Increase compression, lower bitrate, reduce dimensions, or remove non-essential content and re-export until you hit the KB target. If numbers look off, make sure you use the correct unit, 1024 versus 1000, and clear any OS caches or refresh the file listing, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.